Hello and welcome to Sigo's This and That. My name is Sigo. In this gripping episode of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, a fierce battle of legal minds unfolds in a shocking twist. The focus is on the recorded confessions of Bongani Ntanzi, the second accused. Just when the defense thought the state had no intention of using these recordings, prosecutor Advocate Baloyi surprises everyone by deciding to play them in court. This unexpected move leads to heated arguments from the defense, ultimately resulting in a ruling in favor of the state by Judge Ratha Mokgoatleng. Advocate Mngomezulu asserts that the ruling must serve the interests of justice, also expressing his discontent with the state's ambush tactics. Advocate Mshololo raises concerns about fairness and access to the recordings for the defense and their clients. Witness and magistrate Vivienne Cronje testifies that accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, was not subjected to any violence or coercion during the confession process. She describes him as calm, relaxed, and maintaining eye contact while making his statement. Stay tuned for what happens next in this riveting trial.
You know what surprises me, Mr. Mshololo? You want me to be out of the court, but you are not saying Mr. Baloyi should also be out.
My Lord, maybe
you don't find anything incongruous about it?
No, my Lord, I was asking that we play the video separately for the clients, not with the state.
Oh, I see.
Yes, that's what I was asking.
Oh, I see. Okay.
In consultation so that we can take instructions, my Lord.
May I rise to make a submission on the court has made an order and
a ruling.
A ruling.
Fine. Which can be changed.
Correct, my Lord.
Yeah.
With all the principles of fairness and justice. Certain things that need to be heard by the Honorable Court, each party must have proper time for proper consultation. I submit with due respect that any information to be disclosed, especially of this nature, is that there are certain requirements in relation to the best evidence rule that we need to adhere to. There is also the essential part where an expert may be required.
By whom?
Either by the defense.
Oh, okay. No problem.
In order to give us an expert opinion relating to the voice of the accused in relation to the audio. Such evidence is so crucial to rebut the evidence of the state. Hence, I submit with due respect that the principles of fairness and justice should apply, and this court should not be seen in a different context when it is invited to invoke the natural process of applying justice and fairness, because the underlying principle in the Constitution particularly Section 35, deals with the right to fair trial. Any element of injustice or unfairness should be raised by a party who envisage a detrimental result in the event such justice or fairness is not properly manifested. Why, my Lord, I'm raising this is because if we are given an opportunity to consult, the law and the principle of law states very clear that we act in the best interest of the clients. We don't act in our own interest. We may have legal expertise, but cannot be exhausted enough beyond the instruction of a client. In the light of the fact that I came on board and I've noticed exigencies and taking from the weight of the state to say, firstly, it was for personal use. It's an unofficial instrument. Secondly, the state does not intend to use. In practice, in our experience tells us that some witnesses of the state might not be used, but the state may leave those witnesses and open for the defense if they intend to use them. In this case, it was apparent that the evidence of the magistrate had to be tested. Prior to the testing, then comes an evidence that requires an expert.
Sorry, Mr. Mngomezulu. The state is the state calling an expert. You can call any expert you want because you are the defense.
That's correct.
Yeah.
My Lord.
But the state, unless Mr. Baloyi wants to tell me that he wants to consult with an expert, this is raw evidence, direct evidence from this witness. The state has to present that evidence as it is. But you are entitled to call whatever witness you want to call, whatever expert you want to call. And you know, the good thing about this, we're not dealing with a leak. This is a professional person. She's a magistrate. She deals with the law. She started being a prosecutor in 1990. 1996, she's appointed a magistrate. So she knows what we're talking about. So, Mr. Mngomezulu, if you, all of you, want to listen to the tape of the pro forma without me, you can say so. I will get out of the court, no problem. No problem. And then you can tell me, after you have done that, and after you have consulted, then we can proceed. Is it okay, Ms. Mshololo?
That was my request, my Lord. That was dismissed.
Yeah, I will have to explain why I was not present when the audio, because you see what you are actually saying. I'm not going to listen to the audio regarding the pro forma. Are you aware of it?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, yeah.
But that was not my request.
No. No, but that's the logical conclusion.
Yes.
I won't be there. Fine. And I can't listen to the audio alone because I'm the judge. I've got to listen to the audio facing the persons who are accused. But if you want it to be done like that, there's no problem. Do you understand what I'm saying, Mr. Baloyi?
Indeed, my lord. The practical difficulties, if the court is excluded, members of the media are in court, and they'll be reporting about the recording before the court has had the opportunity to listen to the recording. That is the only difficulty that there is.
That's what I anticipated.
Unless if the court was to be cleared, and which is, not possible. And we're talking a recording in excess of 2 hours. To me, the practical suggestion would be that, just as yesterday when Advocate Mshololo requested that she should first have the opportunity to listen to the recording and before the witness could proceed. But the consensus was that the witness should proceed and listen to the evidence. So today, the suggestion from the state would be that the recording is played and there's an adjournment to take instructions, and we reconvene, and the matter then proceeds from there. I think that is a practical suggestion to this conundrum.
So in essence, when the when the audio is played in the presence of the gentlemen who are before court as accused and their legal representatives, that is basically a consultation, is it not?
As the court pleases, my lord, it is, my lord.
It is?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what we are asking.
No, just wait. So a court can't sit in a consultation.
Yes.
Is that so?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. I'll go and read up what would be the other option. So I will excuse myself. You listen to the audio regarding the pro forma. Is that not so?
Yes.
And then subsequently you also want to listen to the...
No, only the pro forma at this stage, my lord.
Yeah, but the point is, some people here haven't listened to the statement itself on the audio.
Yes, but...
Like Mr. Ngomezulu, am I right, sir?
Yes, but
so what do we do about that?
That is the bridge that we will cross sometimes in the future. I mean, if the court rules that the statement is inadmissible, then
I can't rule before everybody has listened to the tape.
Yeah, then the contents become irrelevant. All we're saying is that at this stage, it's only about the prerequisites, my lord, that we mentioned.
Right.
And that the statement will only become relevant should the court rule that the prerequisites have been met. So if the court rules that they haven't been met,
of course it's irrelevant.
The need to listen to the statement falls away.
Do you agree about the legal, Mr. Mngomezulu? Do you agree about
that? Do agree, ma'am.
Even you, Mr. Ngomezulu?
Yes.
Ms. Mshololo?
I agree.
Yeah, okay, fine. It shall so be done. Then you let me know. But it's 3 hours. I know it's 3 hours. The pro forma one is how many hours? You don't know.
I'm told that the real time is 1 hour 47 minutes.
Oh, for the pro forma?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What's your time now?
Just a matter of common sense as well. In as much as the court cannot sit in consultation, we're going to ask that members of the public and journalists also leave while we listen to this. It's privileged. Consultation between attorney and client.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
And also, my lord, I've got an additional request that once we listen to this video, we just need to listen to its entirety, my lord, not in piecemeal, so that we can be able to take proper instructions of that recordings, my lord. That's my request, my lord.
Now we are changing. You all said you listen to the audio of the the pro forma,
yes.
right? After that, I return.
No, my lord.
And then you conduct your cross-examination with regards to that. You can't actually, your cross-examination can't extrapolate onto the statement itself. It can't. That's not the law. And after that, according to, which is endorsed by Mr. Mngomezulu, at least I heard him, according to Mr. Baloyi, after argument and after Mr. Mnisi had listened to the tape, etc., after argument, if the court rules this way or that way, we convene. Is that not so?
And the video will be played for the court. I don't have a problem with that.
Okay, fine.
Yes. I was asking the permission to listen to it with my client.
Yes.
Yes, to the entire recording with my client only.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
With all the accused, in other words, is that not so?
As the court pleases, my
I
lord.
hear you saying with my client. There are 5 clients here.
My lord, in case they don't want to listen to the entire video.
I can't make an order relating to you alone.
As the court pleases.
Because these gentlemen are charged with a common purpose.
Yes, my lord.
Please.
Thank
The
you.
law is clear.
Yes.
So what you do, fine.
We listen
if
jointly.
Mr. Ngumalo and Mr. Mngomezulu don't want to listen to it, okay, no problem.
Thank you.
But the order is that everybody who is accused
Yes.
must listen to it.
Thank you, my lord.
And Mr. Baloyi, you are not supposed to be there also.
Yes.
Oh, you want to be here?
Not supposed to be present, my lord.
Yes.
All of them, actually.
Hello, Mr. Baloyi. What's
Yes.
your view?
I'm just trying to wrap my mind around the issue, but yes, if there is the order, we've already seen the recording,
Yeah,
so
fine.
we don't have a problem in excusing ourselves.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you have to excuse yourself because it incorporates a consultation.
Yes. Yeah.
Somebody will run to the Constitutional Court and say, hey,
Yes.
le judge le yenzeni.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative and compelling, give it a thumb up and share it with fellow crime enthusiasts. Remember, the truth must prevail, and by staying informed, we can help bring justice to those who deserve it.